Hi, my name is Liran Aliav, and today we're going to talk about how to prevent your son-in-law or daughter-in-law from reaching your assets after you pass away. Well, if this is a huge concern for you, when you give an inheritance to somebody else, or any of your children, and they're married, they could potentially commingle or join assets with the other's partner, and if there's a divorce thereafter, they would have to split it up 50-50 or in some sort of fashion that they've agreed on beforehand. Now, if you're asking, how can I give an inheritance to my child without the spouse having that say? Well, you have to put the inheritance into another trust, most likely that has something what I like to call divorce protection, which in sum segregates the asset in a way that does not allow a splitting of that asset upon divorce. And most people that's their top concern when they do estate planning, is they want to make sure that it's untouchable in some sort of fashion. But just remember that this kind of planning is a two-way street, which means that yes, you could set it up for them, but it could always be undone by the son or the daughter if they choose to in the future. And the only real way you could freeze it, more or less, where you're not going to let the son or the daughter change your intentions, is by by having another trustee that is not the son or the daughter be in charge of that share for a certain period of time. And that's what I see most of the time, and that is the best way to guard against your son-in-law or your daughter-in-law from taking half of your property.
Okay, if you enjoyed the video, your next step is to sign up for the webinar by clicking the link above. If you have any questions or concerns, go ahead and comment below. Be happy to address them. See you soon.